Hi everyone, I'm Étienne Bélanger and today I'm going to present to you the project management softwares Gantter and Smartsheet. I'm going to present the different features of each one of them, and after that I'm going to compare them to determine which is the best and which is the best for students, especially for students. So first of all, I'm going to go with Gantter. Gantter integrates with Google Drive, which is a cloud-based storage application, and therefore you can share your document with other people so that everybody of the team works at the same time on the project, and so everybody makes the changes at the same time, and it automatically saves, so the work is done by everyone. It goes faster, and you don't need to be in the same room, so everybody can work at their respective homes to do this same project. It goes better. The tutorial is very useful. It is available on YouTube. It only lasts a couple minutes. You watch it, and after that you masterize every features of Gantter, and you can now plan your own project, like I've done after watching the video myself to do this particular project. Gantter is very simple as a software. It is easy to use and a great task manager. In fact, the only thing it can do is manage tasks. Therefore, it is a good task manager. Gantter is perfect for student project. Since it's totally free, it fits the student budget, since they are low budget persons, and they can manage their task, and they don't need to pass a lot of time to learn how to use this tool, since it's very simple, and their project normally aren't too complicated, so it's a simple and fast to learn application. Smartsheet is another software, and it has many more integration than Gantter. In fact, in addition to Google Drive, there are several other cloud-based storage applications that are available that integrates with Smartsheet. Amongst them, there is the very well-known OneDrive, so you can choose the one that you commonly use. Therefore, you don't need to create another account or to get used to another application, since there are so many integrations with Smartsheet. The new users have access to tutorial video, which is well explained like Gantter on YouTube. But you have another way to learn that I think it's very useful if you don't want to pass your time watching the video. You can just learn while using the application, so you can learn while doing your actual project, which I think is very useful if you don't want to lose any minutes of your life. Smartsheet is a polyvalent applications. There are several already made models that are available. On the website, if you want, for example, I'll show you just now. There are several already made template. So if you want to create a new sheet, you have a couple model that are available. For example, if you want to manage your assets with amortization, there is an already made model, and there are for several other kind of planning and managing. Therefore, it is more than just a task manager, and it is a more polyvalent software, but it also ranks amongst the best for their task managers. The application is not too costly, so it fits the needs of small to large enterprise, because the price range will adjust with the needs of its clients. Therefore, if you want only a couple possibilities, a couple features, your price will adjust with your need. So it is good on that point. The best overall application is definitely Smartsheet. You have more options and more integration with it. You don't need to, you are not obligated to work with Google Drive. Therefore, I think, and their learning experience is better. Therefore, I think that this is the best for either businesses or professional project, or as a school project. If you want something very clear, simple, easy to learn, and I think and free, Gantter is what you need. Therefore, I'm gonna show you right away what is Gantter and how to use it. So first of all, this is our planned my home project. You can write in this column the name of the different tasks you plan to do, the length, how much time you will spend on it, you plan to do it, the day you plan to accomplish them. So the day it starts, the day it ends, and therefore when you look at the little calendar right there, you see the amount of time as well as the day. So everything is planned clearly. So if you share it, every team member will see, okay, we are Monday, we need to do that. We are Tuesday, we need to spend that amount of time working on that specific thing. So the project is already planned and it goes very well. You don't lose your time, you don't so everything is already planned. This is perfect. If you are doing a bigger project and you need since I was alone on this one, I didn't need any resources or anything, but if it's a small business thing, you need to record your resources, the cost, and the day you will need them. You can record that in that section. In fact, there are actually 4 sections: the task that I've already shown, and the resources, the calendar. So if you have, for example, people that will work for you that you need to pay, there are types of shifts you can enter for the standard 24-hour. So the different kind of shifts for the employee. If there are risks of working on the project, you can plan them as well, and the cause of those risks, the response, how you need to react if something bad happens, the probability, the severity, the priority. So you can plan everything for the task of your project. So it's very simple since there are only 4 sections and just a couple features. But you can't really plan a budget or something with that. It's not as specific as Smartsheet. There are several models. They are more accustomed to the needs of a larger customer base. So I think Smartsheet is better than Gantter. But if you want something more simple, I think Gantter is the best thing for you. So thank you for having listening me. This is the end of my presentation. I hope you liked it. If you want to comment or to leave some feedback, you can comment below my video. So see you next time.